So this is the second day, 15th of June 2017, at the SXA Foundation course at the Soil and Enviro Industries Private Limited, Calcutta, where we are reviewing the first day of the SXA Foundation course with a team of 6 people, with me, Swarup Roy, with the team here, obviously IP. So the discussion point to begin on the second day is to review the understanding of the team, what understanding they have got on the first day in the SXA training program. So that review is beginning now, and kindly for the record hoche bole tell your name and your position in the company, and then you can go ahead. Yes.
Myself, Nirmalu Satra. First of all, I think
Sit down. Yes.
You find your problem and measurement
Okay.
and go ahead.
So first day, what did you learn from yesterday? First day, what have you learned about SXA?
At first, you measure your problem and know your subject and move.
So what is the subject here? You, self. তাই তো
Myself.
বাংলা বলতে পারো, গো হেড, বাংলা বলো।
প্রথম সাবজেক্ট আমি নিজেই,
হ্যাঁ,
নিজেকে চেনা, নিজেকে বোঝা, এবং তার পরিপ্রেক্ষিতে আমি কি বহিঃপ্রকাশ করব, এটা আমার ফার্স্ট অফ চিন্তা।
So has it helped you? First day SXA, you have taken the test, the training. How has it helped you? How? এটা পয়েন্ট, 3টে পয়েন্ট বলো। কিরকম করে তোমার এটা হেল্প হয়েছে সেই 3টে পয়েন্ট বলো।
হেল্প হয়েছে, প্রথম নিজেকে চিনতে পেরেছি, বুঝতে পেরেছি, নিজেকে যাচাই করেছি আমি কোনটা রং ছিলাম, কোনটা রাইট ছিলাম, সেই অ্যানালাইসিসটা করতে পেরেছি।
Give me an example যে কোনটা তুমি বলছো wrong right. Of course there is no wrong and right, but let us understand from yourself. You are saying you have understood yourself what is wrong and what is right. So give me an example. What is wrong and right?
প্রথম জিনিসটা হলো যে প্ল্যানিং।
Okay. So planning came out as dysfunctional or functional for you?
ফাংশনাল।
Function. Okay. Go on. হ্যাঁ, তারপর প্ল্যানিং। হ্যাঁ।
আমি নেক্সট আওয়ারে বা আমার পরের স্টেপটায় আমি কি প্ল্যান করলাম এবং তারপরের স্টেপে আমি কি প্ল্যান করলাম, 3 টাইমস আমি প্ল্যানিংটা করে রাখলাম। তারপরে যখনই আমি ফার্স্ট স্টেপ কভার করলাম, তখন সেকেন্ড স্টেজে গিয়ে আবার 3টে প্ল্যানিং করে নিলাম। এইভাবে নিজেকে এগিয়ে নিয়ে যাওয়া।
এটা শিখলে। ওকে, লেটস কাম ব্যাক। হুজ নেক্সট? ঝর্ণা, লুক ইন দ্য ক্যামেরা, নিজেকে ইন্ট্রোডিউস করো।
Myself Sharna Haldar, and I'm working on purchase department.
Okay, have a seat. Sit down.
Before this examination test, online testing, so I'm a little bit scared that what will be the result, because I don't know how much number I will get. So after the some 3 of my colleagues are saying, told me that you can do best, so go ahead and do that. So after yesterday training, I know myself little bit that I have some potential, and I have also some weakness point also, so I can improve myself after knowing the point and weakness.
So
thanks.
Can you give me? Thank you. You're welcome. Can you give me 1 or 2 points, specific points from yesterday that you feel has helped you, or example?
I know that thinking process, maybe I have not strong thinking process. So after that, I can think very deeply and I can work out and improve myself from this.
So anything that has struck you, we will come back. Very impact ne bhabo je jeta deep impact hoyeche. Be honest. Did you, after we left yesterday, were you thinking about your scores, your other team members' scores? Were you thinking about it last night, today morning? Eta mathay cholcho na? Once you have left here, you have forgotten it.
Yeah, a little bit. No, I thought my weak points. That's.
হ্যাঁ, তো এটা নিয়ে ভাবছিলেন তো? You have been thinking. Am I right? Have you been thinking about it?
Yes.
What about you, Mr. Kamal? Please introduce yourself.
I am Kamal Prasad Samal. Actually, I am working as a deputy manager, deputy general project, the execution part.
Mm-hmm.
So first of all, I am very much thankful that this training is actually I have got this opportunity from my MD to be part of this training. And next, this SSX analysis. Actually, just before your entry in the second day, I had some discussion with my colleagues. Just I'm sharing that one.
Please.
If I got this opportunity, this SSX analysis, my choice of this career in the profession, that will be better for me. What I feel, and actually this is my honestly I'm sharing with you, that I feel that there are a lot of potential inside me, lot of attributes what you are defining here. Maybe more than that, it is inside me that I have to develop. That is in the sleeping stage. That I have to
Wake up.
That you have to enhance these characters. That will help not only for myself, that will help to my surroundings, maybe in the company, maybe my family, maybe other. So this is the major thing actually I have gone through in this training the first day. I feel that the second day, the more interaction and more in-depth training will help me, and the later also in the intermediate and the final stage it will grow inside, because many things inside myself, it has to be come out, so it will help to others in the self. I am defining everything, not only except self, all other are included. I individual is something else. When I enter into a family of total globe, so it is something else.
You're connected to everybody.
Yes. So that actually I feel in the last training, a lot of characters inside. So I feel that I have not even I have not touched there. So that is actually I feel embarrassing actually. Why I have not touched that part? I may give some more importance to myself.
As an engineer, you're an engineer, right?
I'm an engineer. Basically.
You're a computer science engineer, right?
Yes.
So, don't be embarrassed, my dear friend, because
No, embarrassing the self, not actually the exact word is the embarrassing. Actually, I am saying that I should touch that. That's why I'm telling that this SSS training, I feel that it should be in the my early of my, at least in my career, choosing the right path. Because when I choose the engineering part, you cannot imagine, I am good in mathematics.
okay, sure. You're computer science, you must be good in mathematics.
Yes, sir. Few people are surrounding me. Has told me, "Are you going for this engineering, mechanical? That too in mechanical engineering. What for? You are quite good in the mathematics. Even in my third, there are 8 semesters in our engineering. In the first 3 semesters in the engineering, there is a mathematics subject. Each mathematics subject, I have gone to 90 plus. 92, 96, 97. Even my target is that to 100.
Wow.
I do not know why it is come down.
Okay.
And when I don't get this JE, then that time also in the first chance, I have tried for first and second chance.
Mhm.
Then I gone through the mechanical engineering. When I left, that time actually I am doing the basic mathematics in my honors subject.
Yeah.
So one of my mathematics teacher, he advised me, don't lose mathematics, because I feel that you will do much better if you.
That is a natural talent.
Yeah. But that time actually you can see that actually today also I feel that if I have some opportunity, I can build up my career again in the mathematics, because I feel that I can add something which I have not even after in the engineering I have not added that value to myself as well as to the group. So this opportunity, this self-excellence analysis, it's a very, very good one, good tool. It's a tool, I'm telling you, it's a good tool that in that purpose I can say. But now, since I have already passed 10 years or more than 10 years, so I do not want to go back. But today onwards, I filter the odd things. I am trying to develop all these things Major thing is that the characters, the attributes which are already slick, that I want to be
You want to now,
enhance those.
you want to
factors.
make
I
them
want to-
functional, you want to make them functional and
Yes,
make them
I-
work for you in your life.
Yes.
So you can have a more complete,
First, I want to go myself.
correct.
Then automatically it will transfer to my company and as well as my surroundings.
You don't have to transfer it. If you grow, it will automatically
It
transfer.
will transfer. That's what I'm telling.
All you have to do is focus on yourself.
Yes.
Thank you, Mr. Kamal. That was very nice. Thank you for a very detailed feedback. Appreciate it. So now let's turn to the other lady, Madam Joita. Please go ahead and introduce yourself.
গুড মর্নিং, আমি জয়িতা ব্যানার্জি, আমি অ্যাকাউন্টস ডিপার্টমেন্টে আছি। তো আমি প্রথমেই থ্যাংক ইউ জানাই আমাদের এমডি স্যার মিস্টার অসিত কুমার তালুকদারকে যে আমাদের কোম্পানিতে এরকম একটা ট্রেনিং প্রোগ্রাম চালু করার জন্য, বিকজ এটা আমাদের পার্সোনাল লাইফ এবং কোম্পানির ক্ষেত্রে ভীষণ এফেক্টিভ। আর আমার কালকের যে এক্সপিরিয়েন্স হয়েছে সেটাতে আমার অনেকগুলো ডিসফাংশনাল এরিয়া আছে, সেগুলো আমি নিজে আফটার ট্রেনিং রিয়েলাইজ করেছি এবং রিথিঙ্ক করেছি যে সত্যি এগুলো আমার মধ্যে, হয়তো আমি এগুলো জানতাম না যে এগুলো আমার মধ্যে লুপহোলস, সেগুলো আমার ইমপ্রুভ করতে হবে এবং উইথ দ্য কোঅপারেশন অফ আওয়ার আদার কলিগ এবং মেবি আপনার কাছ থেকে সাজেশন নিয়ে সেটাকে ইমপ্রুভ করে আমি সেটা নিজের পার্সোনাল লাইফ এবং আমার কোম্পানির ক্ষেত্রে কাজে লাগাতে চাই। তো আমার যে ডিসফাংশনাল এরিয়া আছে এবং যেগুলো আমার ফাংশনাল এরিয়া, সেগুলো আমি নিজেও জানতাম না হয়তো যে আমি এতটা কনফিডেন্ট ওই সমস্ত ব্যাপারে, যেগুলো আমার মনের মধ্যে যে টেস্টটা দিয়েছিলাম সেখানে যখন প্রশ্নগুলো ফিল আপ করেছিলাম তখন আমার মানসিকতা, তখন আমার চিন্তাধারার মধ্যে এইগুলো মানে আমাকে স্ট্রাক করেছিল যে এই জিনিসগুলোও আমার মনের মধ্যে আছে, যেগুলো আমরা ইন জেনারেল দেখতে পাই না। তো থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ টু ইউর টিম অ্যান্ড থ্যাংক ইউ মিস্টার তালুকদার এগেইন যে আমাকে এই ধরনের অপরচুনিটি দেওয়ার জন্য। আমি আশা করব যে আমি আরো ভবিষ্যতে এইগুলো নিজের মধ্যে এনহ্যান্স করে আমি নিজে আরো ভালো কাজ করতে পারবো।
Thank you. So let me summarize the English here for, because I'm the international, the video goes internationally. So what you're saying basically is that SXA has helped you to know for the first time perhaps some things you knew but you were not sure or confirmed. So now it has confirmed many of the things you felt about yourself in both functionally as well as dysfunctionally. So that comes as a surprise to you, or it gives you power, you feel empowered, you feel happy about that?
I feel confident.
Do you feel happy or disturbed about it?
No. I feel confident that those area is much better, and these opportunities and this quality is between me. Isn't between me. So this is I'm happy for that, and I'm not disturbed. I'm not
No, I know.
disturbed.
I'm just asking.
I accept my dysfunctional area because
Okay.
I know that there is every person is not perfect. So I know that this is my dysfunctional area and I have to enhance this area.
Okay. Through the training and through the
Through the
inputs.
training and
So in a nutshell, self-X analysis, that is what SXA is. So you feel with the test and the report and the training, it has actually helped you to really know yourself.
Yes, obviously.
That you,
Obviously. I mean,
Confidently accept.
Fully confidently agree with
and
you.
this is a very powerful method to know oneself. You agree?
Yes.
Thank you, madam. Next to,
Myself,
Yes.
Vishwajit Roy.
Yes.
I am working in this organization for last 9 years almost. Then in the purchase department, I am looking at purchase department. Now, I have crossed a very long period in my career, almost 34 years, and worked for so many companies. But I have never faced this kind of analysis had happened in the organization. I must thank you first to our managing director, Mr. Ashok Kumar Talukdar, who has really helped us not only this training, in the earlier also, he has given us opportunity in other trainings also. And really it was helpful to us. And this time also, definitely he has understood that this type of training is necessary in this organization, because we are not in a very good company, a big company, but with a small company, these people, there are good people, they have a very good potentials among ourselves. And these potentials, if we can utilize individually, then it will definitely help the other colleagues and other people also in the organization. And at last, the company will be benefited.
Okay.
That is our goal. So, this SX analysis, self-X analysis, what you are saying, their analysis is very, very in detail, which you have never seen. They have identified all the attributes that people has, and they have segregated those attributes in a 3-4 divisions, and they have called either a fulfilled, unfulfilled, highly fulfilled, like dysfunctional area, highly dysfunctional area, and they very clearly identified each and every people of all the attributes separately, which is very much different, because if you broadly understood on people, that will not help you.
You have to know specifically, to the point.
Specifically, they have clearly understood, clarified all this, what I
Minor-
say, in
minor-
micro
detail.
level, and so that you can also identify yourself in all those areas. It is a very interesting. I have never faced. I have crossed 34 years service, and I have worked so many companies. They have all the. I have also faced some tests. I have faced different types of training in organization, within organization, outside organizations. They have definitely helped us, those interview, their trainings. But here, this SX analysis, I have never also heard this type of analysis. People, everybody has the attributes, each and every people.
Correct.
But never analyze these attributes.
Never measured,
And
never
never measure
analyzed.
like this, by point wise. Because it has clearly understood us. Each and every people, where are those areas we have a problem, where are those areas we are very much good, so that I can also identify those areas where I have to develop myself.
Okay. So
That
is
is
there
the
any specific out of the 34
our-
which has impacted you personally very much?
See, in my report, there are two major dysfunctional area we have really I have never understood also, that is foreseeing, and another point is that I've got not good marks, the very low marks, that is 1.7. In foreseeing I get 1.7, another is, and the empathy. It was not clear to me exactly the difference of sympathy and empathy.
And now?
Which I've clearly understood yesterday. So that is why, where I'm preparing this your test, day before yesterday, it was not giving the good impression. Exactly what was the empathy and what was the sympathy.
But today you are clear
Now really very.
and you accept.
Exactly.
You accept your score.
Exactly.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Roy. And finally, let's turn to Mr. Shubir Das. Shubir Da, বলুন।
হ্যাঁ সুবির দাস বলছি, আমি এখানে প্রোডাকশনে আছি। তো আমি তো জানতামই না যে 34টা আমার মধ্যে এগুলো আছে ফার্স্ট টাইম। এই 34 এর মধ্যে আমি জানি না যেগুলো আছে, আমি কিছু কোশ্চেন হয়তো না বুঝে দিয়েছি, কিছু জিনিস যে আমার জিরো এসছে আমি এটা বিশ্বাস করি না, আবার কিছু জিনিস যে এসছে এখানে আমার সিকিউরিটি নিয়ে সেটা বলে আমি না বুঝেই উত্তর দিয়েছি। তা নাহলে আমার অত কম নাম্বার আসা উচিত না। আমার সিকিউরিটি সম্বন্ধে আই এম ভেরি মাচ স্ট্রং। আমার মনে হয় না এই অ্যান্সারটা আমি বুঝে দিয়েছি বা কোনো কারণে আমার ঠিক হয়নি। আর যেটা স্কিলের লাস্ট পার্টটা যেটা এসছে সেটা আমার পুরোটাই খারাপ এসছে, ডিসফাংশনাল এসছে। এই স্কিল অ্যান্ড সেলিং এটা আমার মনে হয় আমার ঠিকই এসছে। আর কিছু জিনিস আমার বেশি এসছে সেটাও আমি মনে করি না অতটা বেশি আসা আমার উচিত। আর আমার মধ্যে যে এতগুলো পোটেনশিয়াল আছে এটা আমি ফার্স্ট টাইম জানলাম লাইফে। আমার জানারই কথা ছিল না, জানতামও না, ইচ্ছাও করেনি উনি জানতে আমার। তো এখন জানলাম। আর আমার ধারণা এইগুলো ইনস্ট্যান্ট কিছু সময়ের জন্য যদি হয় কোম্পানি কোনো বেনিফিটেড হয় না। আমার ধারণা এগুলো ইনস্ট্যান্ট ফিগার, কিছুক্ষণ পরে লোকে আজকাল পরে পরশু করে যদি ভুলে যায় কোম্পানি, এতে কোনো বেনিফিট হবে না। যেটা হয় এটা নিয়ে পড়াশোনা করতে হবে, যার ডিফেক্ট আছে এগুলো নিয়ে বসতে হবে। এই করলাম কালকে পর থেকে ভুলে যাও, হলো আবার আপনি 1 মাস বাদে আসবেন, তখন আবার সবাই লাফালাফি করবে। নিজের ড্রব্যাকগুলি যদি নিজেরা ডেভেলপ না করতে পারি সেলফ করে, আর কাউর থেকে যদি গিয়ে যদি বুঝতে না পারি যে ভালো রেজাল্ট করেছে যেরকম 100, বাট ও জুনিয়র 100 পেয়েছে, ওখানে যাবো শেয়ার করতে, এটা যদি না করতে পারি, মানে ওভারকাম করতে পারি, তবে এটার কোনো ভ্যালু অ্যাড করতে পারি। এটা আমার মনে হয় এমনি ভালো, ঠিক আছে, বাট এটাকে নিয়ে পড়াশোনা করতে হবে, নিজেকে একটু রিয়েলাইজ করতে হবে। আজকে করছি কালকে ভুলে যাবো, এরকম করলে কোনো লাভ হবে না কোম্পানি ওয়াইজ। এই হচ্ছে আমার বক্তব্য। এমনি ভালো প্রোগ্রাম, গুড প্রোগ্রাম, ঠিক আছে।
Let me summarize in English. Will somebody summarize? Will you summarize for your colleague what he said in Bengali in English?
What Subhita said, that as per his report is concerned, there are few marks has come out which Subhita doesn't believe. Maybe it is not correct. He could not understand the exact question. Maybe that is the result given in this reflection in the report is also not correct. But other points he has accepted. But he doesn't know also. He has so much of attributes within himself, and he never tried to analysis himself also like this. But this is a really opportunity he has got from this SX analysis. He have understood him. He has understood all the areas, all the attributes he has, where are the weak, those are the attributes are weak, which those are the attributes are strong, so he can also understand. And one major point he has very much clarified, that is, if somebody has got a good marks, but good he has reflected in good marks, so he will not shy to ask any a questions or get any help or benefit from her or his. That he has to he has very much clearly clarified.
Okay.
And another point is that he has also clarified that if this analysis is done for one day, it will not help us. You have to continue this analysis every day. You have to nurture yourself, and you have to develop regularly, and within yourself and with others also. Only then the company will be benefited. Otherwise, if it is a one-day program, two-day program, you will get all benefits. You will get you will understood everything, so many things. But if you do not continue it for long run, then company will also not get benefited.
Okay, so I thank you all of you for that kind feedback.